Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way.
Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this crop turtleneck sweater inspired by these Pinterest photos. I was really loving the idea of the horizontal stripes, so this is the fabric that I will be using. I bought this roll of fabric from Walmart. It's 2 yards for $4. It's very thin, almost to the point where you can kind of see through it a little bit. But the first thing I'm going to do is lay down my material, and it's already folded in half. Make sure if you're using stripes or a pattern, you turn the material the way you want it to actually look before you cut it. Best way for anything to get made on this channel is for me to use something that I already like the size and fit of, and today I'm going to use this oversized cropped shirt that I have. And just to make everything easier, I'm going to cut everything on the fold. Here I'm just cutting out the front and back pieces of my shirt. At this point, I should have went ahead and cut the turtleneck on with the shirt, but I'm going to be cutting that next. With the remaining scrap pieces, I'm just going to cut a kind of bigger than usual rectangle, and this will serve for my turtleneck. As far as sewing goes, I'm just going to sew up this side seam, and then it will be sewn to the top of the neckline. Now moving on to the remaining pieces of fabric, I'm going to turn it to the way I need it turned so that my lines match up, and I'm going to cut out my sleeve pieces. Make sure when you cut your sleeve pieces that you cut them on the fold. At this point, all of my pieces have been cut out, and I'm just showing you where everything is supposed to go. I'm going to put my turtleneck up here at the top. I'm going to put the right sleeve over here. I'm going to put the left sleeve over there. And I'm going to sew everything all together. The first piece I'm going to sew up is the side seams and the shoulder lines. I'm just going to sew everything together with a straight stitch and then try everything on, making sure everything fits okay. Once I was okay with the way the body fit, I'm going to go ahead and sew on my sleeves. After sewing and making sure everything fits okay, I'm going to go back in and go through all of my straight stitches and do a zigzag stitch just to make sure everything is in place. This is how my stitching looks. I have the one straight stitch on top and then the zigzag stitch at the bottom to hold everything in place. I went ahead and sewed on my turtleneck piece and my whole shirt is finished. I'm going to hem off the bottom of the shirt, and this is the perfect time for it. If your shirt isn't cropped enough, you can make it cropped enough. Once I made mine cropped enough, this is what it turned out to be, and I absolutely love it. I love the stripes. I love the color. I love that it is still stretchy. It's not too thick. It's not heavy. It's not a heavy turtleneck. I can wear it with high-waisted pants. I can wear it with low-waisted pants. I can wear it with heels. I can wear it with a skirt. And I super love how it was such an easy and simple DIY. I want you guys to tell me what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around